I'm going to make some weird faces. And weird noises. Now I would like to call in my special guest. He will also make weird faces and noises.